what is going on, guys? Rave guys here. So today I'm going to be unboxing my power keyboard and mouse. So yeah, this came with the computer that I purchased. Well, not me, but my dad purchased. So it's just a bonus. So here. So first, let's unbox the keyboard. So yeah, let's go. That's the keyboard right here. Got the iBow it's called the ARES E1 or ARES E1. It's iBow gaming keyboard. Spill resistant structure, 10 million keystroke lifestyle, 8 additional multimedia keys, and anti-slip rubber design. So let's look at the back now. We got specifications: keystroke lifestyle 10 million, multimedia buttons 8. Here are the multimedia buttons. And we got some more right here, the red ones. And then we got the dimensions, which are 470 by 200 by 45 millimeters. So it's the length, width, and height. And then the weight is 0.71 kilograms. And then interface is USB, and then the cable length is 1.5 meters or 4.5 feet. Here's the keyboard, and then here at the top, and then at the bottom, which has like some different views of the keyboard right here. So yeah, let's open it. Let's put this away. Okay. Now, oh yeah, it's spill resistant, so that's good. Oh, also guys, alternative color design. Oh, yes, alternative color design for WASD and arrow keys. So like, you see, it's red. So yeah. All right, let's open it up from the top right here. All right, finally. Okay, we got it in the box. I'll show you guys. This wrapping off. Oh, I could already see something. So, right here on the back, you got these adjustable things to hold up your keyboard. You got another one on this side. And then we got the other power. So, and the back is pretty cool here. I'll show you guys. Yeah, it's pretty dope. And we got the front. It's not a mechanical, but so we got the WASD color. We got the 8 multimedia. Oh, also this iBow logo color is like red whenever you turn it on, so that's cool. So that's how it sounds like. Also the arrow keys. I'll use it just so you guys know how it sounds like. That. So this one, it unpauses and pauses. This one mutes your volume. This one turns up your volume. I'm not sure what this one does, but yeah, I think this one, it opens up the search bar. This one checks your mail. This one takes you home. this one, I'm not sure as well. So we got all the buttons. We got even the buttons to the right. We got the letters for number lock if you turn it on. And then right here it indicates if caps lock or anything is on. And then we got like kind of a rest, not really, but wrist rest. You know what I mean? Oh, we got this red sides. Here's the cable. Right here. It's pretty long. So yeah, let's put this on, guys. And that. Put this off to the side. Right there. And then the keyboard will also go to the side. Now we got the mouse. I like this mouse a lot. In my opinion, it's really good. So the front, this is RGB. The other one, if you guys don't know what RGB is, it means like you could change colors, or like it has a color, or you can change it. So this one is RGB. It just changes colors and stuff. So it's called the ZUES E2 optical gaming mouse. It is iBuyPower as well, of course. You got the multicolor lighting right there. LED ambient lighting effects, texture side grips, texture design. We got gaming optical sensor, 3200 DPI for pixel perfect accuracy. So we can get a maximum of 3200 DPI. We got a ergonomic design designed to keep your hand and wrist comfortable. That's nice. Product photos are for reference only, and actually they're very good. And okay, so here's the front, here's the side. Tracking method resolution, switch lifestyles 1 million, so you can click the button 1 million times until. And then the DPI you can change is 1200, 1600, 2400, or 3200 DPI. Default 1200. What else do we have? We have the tracking method, advanced gaming optical sensor. Oh yeah, the tracking method. Lighting effect multicolor, dimensions 118 by 67 by 68.5 millimeters. 115 grams in the weight. The interface is USB and the cable length is 4.5 feet or 1.5 meters. Here's the back. This is ZUES E2. So up to 3200 adjustable DPI function. Right here's the adjustable DPI. If you just click that. And then we got dual side buttons on the side right here, so you can actually use these two. And then we got advanced ergonomic design. And here, if you guys just want to read it, to be honest, let's pause the video, and here are all the sponsors or whatever, how it's made. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, so here's the box. There's nothing else inside it except for the mouse. Just throw that. Alright, now we got the mouse in a pretty good packaging. Oh, this is pretty good. So, as you guys could tell, you can click it. Like it's, I barely touch it, guys, and it clicks. So, for example, let's just look. And then we got this. You can also press this. And we got the DPI button. This does nothing. If I try to press it, but this does. Those do. We got the grip right there. the two side buttons. This is the bottom, the sensor right here. Here's the length of the cable. And then we got USB. So the parts that actually light up are this until it goes down. Goes up here, and I'm pretty sure the mouse lights up as well, the wheel. And then this lights up, and then that. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It has some grips on the bottom right here. And yeah. Okay, so let's try to get them both positioned into how they would be. Oh, also guys, I forgot to show you guys the thing on the keyboard. So right now, this is how it looks. So here, I'll get a better view. So right now, if we do like that, go like that, as you guys can see, here I'll put it. The thing, here. Wait up, guys. This is weird. Here, let me just get the. So these things are not up. So if I just put them like this, here's how they look like. But if I do put it up like this, right here, and then right here, and just lay them. This is how it looks. There's actually space right here. And here's how it looks if you have it up like this. I don't know about you guys, but here. So. And then here we got the mouse. I'll put it right next to each other. So here it is. Now we got the mouse. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hit that like button and subscribe. See you guys next one. Peace.